So since I did the video of why I think the Airpods third generation are the best Airpods to actually go for a run, many of you have been asking me that why don't I think the actual best Airpods are the Airpods Pro. So I'm going to tell you right off the bat why. So when you're running, you just need music that is covering the actual time, and you not necessarily mean you need the cancellation noise system. Now the cancellation noise system uses battery. That's if you're going to do a long run, it can affect. And also remember that you should always be kind of alert. And I think with the Airpods Pro, you've got the issue that because they're so good at what they do, which is cancellation noise system, it means you activate them, you go like you're running in a cloud, but that means occasionally you may have some issues. That's why I still believe the Airpods third generation have great battery, great actual sound system, but you get the best of both worlds without having the actual option of using the cancellation noise system, which I think sometimes can be tricky and can lead for you to actually activate it and not be, let's say, alert about your surroundings. So that's why I think these AirPods third generation are the best AirPods for running. Let me know in the comments what you think.